Let's take our yarn, put it on the top of our pointer of the thumb, then keep the yarn with the rest of our fingers. Here we should have some tension. Take your needle, pull here, then bring your tip of the needle to this loop, wrap the yarn. See that needle is under the yarn that goes from my pointer, and then I again insert the tip of the needle through the loop, remove my thumb and pull the yarn. Let's start again. And pull. You see, with this section we have 2 stitches on our needle from the beginning. Now let's continue our cast on. Go under the tail, wrap the yarn from the ball, go through the loop, pull, and again go under the tail, wrap the yarn over, go through the loop, pull.